Yo, pro tip, if you're trying this challenge, you might not want to approach girls with a ripped boyfriend. Just advice. Yo, what is up guys? So today we're doing a very scientific, educational experiment. So we are here with Luis from To Catch a Cheater. You guys might have seen that epic show. We're gonna answer the question on every guy's mind. What do girls prefer, all right? A guy with an aesthetic physique?
Or a guy with money.
But to make everything perfectly fair, all right, we're gonna take as many variables out of the equation as possible because we're such scientists, right? So neither of us are allowed to talk. So me and Luis are going to attempt to pick up some girls today.
Let's see who wins.
Guys, this one's gonna be good. Keep watching and let's get it.
Really? Okay. Did you just call yourself?
It's always difficult to get a girl's number after you just got her friends, but what can you do?
My number? But I don't know you.
It's not fair, man. I'm approaching these girls and they don't speak English, right? That shouldn't count as a loss. Yes, I know again.
I have a boyfriend. Don't call me past midnight, all right?
And my phone number. But that's my German one.
Oh my god, there's
I have to try and pick up girls without talking.
That's crazy, right? Crazy the butt.
I'm not giving no way. No way. I've seen your videos. It's so funny.
You don't mind her?
Honestly.
Should've went for him, man.
Is this your car? Can I take a photo? Is that your car? No, it's all good. I got it.
Yeah, she was hot, bro. I'm gonna keep your number and talk to her. No, we did it, bro.
Yo, pro tip, if you're trying this challenge, you might not want to approach girls with a ripped boyfriend. Just advice.
Oh, hey, how are you?
I'm okay. Thank you.
Sorry. If it helps, I'm gay and this is my girlfriend.
Oh, that shouldn't even count then. How am I supposed to, how? It's just not my day, guys. It's just not my day. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, it was pretty close, man. I don't know. I don't really know who the winner is. So, yo, I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. All right, comment below who you think is the real winner in this experiment. And you know, like, money and muscles, they both get girls, man. But you know, less than 1% of the world are millionaires. But hey, everyone can build an aesthetic physique that girls love. So stop making excuses. Go get some ladies and click the link in the description below. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.